Now we're going to change the air filter, and we're going to go the extra mile, and we're going to also clean the mass airflow sensor using some of the liquid moly mass airflow sensor cleaner. A lot of the parts that you see on the vehicles look the same, the air filter looks the same, dipstick's the same, a lot of it is very similar across the board. So on my one here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and on my insignia it is a Torx 25, which is the little star ones. With the Torx screws, we're simply just going to undo all of them. The bolts will stay with the car, they won't come out. It's recommended to change your air filter once a year, and it's the difference between the interim service and a full service. And then for this, you just need to pull this little tab. Sometimes you need to press your thumb down and then pull it out, and then we'll just move this out of the way. So this here is the mass airflow sensor, which we'll remove too. And this one's just an 8mm. And you undo the bottom and the top one. Mine's on hinges just here. Just give it a little nudge. So this is a K&N filter. It's more of a performance one, but I'm going to change it out to the Bosch one, like so. And I'm going to clean inside here. For the bucks, I used antibacterial wipes, and I also vacuumed it. And while that's just drying out, I'm going to remove the mass airflow sensor, which is still attached here, so you can see which direction it goes from. Airflow this way, and all you do is just pull it and it'll come out. But that is the state of the filter that we have, so you can see through it, but it is dirty. So I'm going to clean this, but I'm going to currently replace it with the Bosch filter because they're only around £20 to buy, and I need the car. The filter will only go in one way, so you can't get it the wrong way around. It will only drop in the one way, and it'll be flush around the sides, so even if you put it in backwards it won't physically fit, so you can't get it wrong. Let's use the mass airflow sensor. The sensor itself looks a little bit like a matchstick, and that's what you want to spray with the mass airflow sensor cleaner. You want to use a specific mass airflow sensor cleaner. I use the liquid moly stuff because it's made in Germany and it's the product line that I tend to use on the vehicle. The mass airflow sensor is very sensitive, so that's why you want to use the correct materials. Very simply explained, what it does is it tells the car how much air is going into the engine, so it knows how much fuel to air to mix. One of the main giveaways if your air to fuel mixture isn't correct is black exhaust smoke. You can also have rough idling, slow acceleration, difficulty to start, or unusual engine noises like random revs. This video is just a small section of a major service that I've just done to the car, which I'll leave in the link at the end. Just plug in the mass airflow sensor and you're all done. Whichever car you have, I do recommend the liquid moly system cleaner. So this is the diesel one. I'll leave the petrol equivalent one in the description below at no extra cost to you. So they go for under £20 for a can, and all you do is you throw it into a fuel tank, fill your car up, and just let it run through, and it cleans your engine as you're driving along. Second product I recommend for people is one of these OBD scanner tools. So it's the Bluetooth one, and basically it tells you whatever's wrong with your car. So I do use this one. I just leave it in the wrapper just so I don't lose it because it is quite a small one. And all you do is you plug it into your car, synchronize it with your phone, and then just go through the diagnostic tools. So it tells you what's wrong with the car, if there's anything wrong with it, and there's a few extra features on there which I'll leave on the screen there. So I've had this for a couple of years now, and I use it pretty much every 6 months just to double check if there's nothing wrong with the car. And it was about £70, so it's slightly more expensive than a few of the other ones, but I've been happy with it. I'm not sponsored by these companies at all. They're just products that I've purchased using my own money for. As it says, link in the description below at no extra cost to you. Thanks for sticking around and liking the video if you have. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and welcome if you are new. The links for any of the products that I've used in the video are in the description below, but you've got the QR code at the top at no extra cost to you. But thanks for watching, thanks for being fans.